Good morning, everyone. Today is Wednesday. I have been interviewing a lot of potential buyer and buyer's agent in the past, and they were asking, "Well, Amina, I haven't seen you for a while." Yes, I was observing the movement of gold, and I'm also busy interviewing live video call on potential buyers and buyer's agent. Why this potential buyer failed to get the supply for his business? Reason number one, he knows that gold is real business. He knows that his business would not function if he has no supply. Number two, this potential buyer, I would not mention his name, he's been searching and dealing with a lot of chain of joker broker. I call him joker. Why? They've been searching and searching online. At the end of the day, they landed to Wilhelmina. Why you landed to Wilhelmina? I'm the only person. I put everything on my YouTube channel and on my Facebook. Mr. Buyer, this is for you. You don't need to deal with a chain of joker broker because you are going to fail. I'm telling you why. This joker broker come to Wilhelmina, they are also searching, typing the gold, and it pop up into their screen, my video. Now my video is for everyone. I put everything on how the buyer able to secure gold for their business. There is a certain rules and regulation that you as an international buyer has to follow. Gold is not cost insurance and freight only. You cannot just ask us to bring gold to your destination in the airport and we don't know you. So we need to scrutinize you. We need to interview you, especially to Wilhelmina. Wilhelmina will interview you on how did you found my number. I am going to listen to your needs. Wilhelmina was hired by the owner of the gold, the company in Africa. I am the extension of the seller who produced gold and he has license to mine and he has license to export. There are so many fake offer. That is their business. That's not my business. Our offer here is very thorough. You as the buyer, you need to have a substantial capital because this gold business is not cost insurance and freight. It's not for CIF. This is not the CIF cost insurance and freight only. This is not for LC, letter of credit. Why are you gonna ask for letter of credit? Maybe you have a shortfall of cash because gold is cash. And then you're gonna ask, oh, we want to buy gold in Africa, is BLC, standard letter of credit. You need to borrow money in the bank in order to get the cash. Yes, you have the solid asset, but you don't have a liquid asset, which is paper money. And then you're gonna say, oh, we're gonna buy gold, no upfront. There is no upfront. Whether you like it or not, you have to pay for it. The gold cannot leave the country of origin without full export documentation in your name. It's impossible. Maybe you are a smuggler. You want to smuggle. Well, you can smuggle it if you can do it. Good luck. But at the end of the day, you are going to be arrested. As a smuggling, they will consider you as a thief. You're stealing African property. Gold is a property of African seller. And then you're gonna say, black fund. Why you gonna block the fund? You need to come. You need to be transparent because Wilhelmina will interview you thoroughly. We don't send soft corporate anymore. We don't send full corporate offer. What I have done, I put everything on my YouTube channel, very thorough, and I put as well on my platform. Now, if you found this video, click below and subscribe. Click on the link. You might go through my platform on Facebook, go through and take time, read the full corporate offer, digest it properly. If you watch this video on my YouTube channel, please relax. Digest it. Why you want gold? Why Wilhelmina is on everywhere? Wilhelmina is helping you in order for you to secure gold and diamond properly. Now, Mr. Buyer, I have been talking a lot of potential buyer in the past. I'm going to relate my experience. There was a guy from Europe. He flew to Dubai waiting for his 50 kilos to arrive. And while he was flying to Dubai, he searched online. He went to YouTube and searched gold, and my video popped up. So he make a booking to meet me in Dubai last year. So I meet him in his hotel, 5-star hotel, and he's a little bit of arrogant. You don't need to be arrogant. You need to think about it, why the 50 kilos didn't arrive. So I was sitting down with him. I don't want to mention his name. And he said, I'm here in Dubai waiting for 50 kilos and we give him to pay taxes. And I said to him, no. Oh. Why you pay taxes? You have not paid the gold. I presume you didn't pay the gold because gold is taxable. You only pay the tax. But how about paying the gold? That was my answer to his question. And he said, yes. Well, you cut corner because the government would not give you as a clearance, and the government would not give the clearance to who own the gold. So therefore, the seller has a lot of alibi. Oh, the government would not send me money. That is what I told him. And I told him, you need to travel in order to meet the seller who produced that 50 kilos. Maybe that the seller wanted to cut corner. So what happened? Disaster. Another buyer, he went to Mali. He signed a contract with us. And he double cross. So he signed a contract on Mali and he signed a contract in Conakry, Guinea. And I give him all necessary what he has to do. And he signed the contract and he flew to Mali. What happened? Disaster again. He hand carried the gold, stopped over in Ghana airport together with the seller because he was being offered to pay taxes. When the gold arrived in the airport in Ghana, custom clearance seized the gold because there was no complete export documentation. Disaster again. And then this French buyer, he called me that if I know someone in Ghana, and I told him, even though if I know, I'm not going to assist you. Why? You betrayed yourself and you betrayed us. We send you the visa, and at the end of the day, you went to Mali, you disaster. I have a seller in Mali. I told him, but I cannot ask my seller to assist you because the seller would think about that you are really not trustworthy. What happened? His gold was seized in Ghana, and he get out in Ghana. He spent more than 40,000. Disaster. Another buyer that I went to Conakry last year, and he has a contact in Conakry, an Indian contact, and he was being invited to Conakry to secure gold. And one of his friends from Nairobi called me that he has a friend in Conakry stranded. I told him that I'm about to arrive in Dubai. I want to see the partner, the real buyer in Dubai. So I went to Gold Souk, and the real buyer, his shop is under construction. They refurbished the shop, and they wanted more supply, gold supply. So I was talking to the main buyer, and his partner went to Conakry, and he was offered 1 kilo. This 1 kilo he carried, and he was being offered by the seller to take this gold in Dubai and final acid. Then the person, the Indian person who is going to carry the 1 kilo, he said that he's going to pay after the final assay. On the way to the airport, the police intercepted this buyer, carried 1 kilo. And this buyer went to the hotel where I stayed in Conakry. I stayed at Kalum Hotel. And I told him, I want to see you because I already met your partner in Dubai while I was in Dubai. Now I'm here in Conakry. And he was shaking. And I told him, why are you shaking? Madam, I was being arrested. I said, why? You were being arrested. I carried 1 kilo, okay? Did you have a paperwork? Madam, I don't have the paperwork. The owner of the gold, he give me the gold to carry to Dubai, and then we will pay him after final assay. I told this buyer, wrong again. So this Indian buyer, he paid $40,000, and he was being arrested. He hired a lawyer. It cost him $40,000 just to hire the lawyer. He was being jailed within 48 hours. So his partner in Dubai was screaming, and I told him, you don't need to scream. It is your fault. Why did you allow your partner to carry the gold from Conakry? You know that Conakry is getting strict. You cannot take the gold out of the country without proper export documentation. Another buyer went to Sierra Leone again. Disaster. Why you come to Wilhelmina, guys? That you watch my video on previous years, and then you're roaming around thinking you can get the gold, thinking you can smuggle the gold. You cannot smuggle the gold. No. You need to pay what the price, and gold is taxable. That is how you're gonna purchase the gold. In your country, you purchase anything plus tax. Here in Australia, I live in Brisbane, Australia. I don't have the gold. I am your business facilitator. I am the extension of the seller. I am helping you to assist you to secure gold and diamond properly. But my services is not for free when I travel with you. Now, while you're watching this video, whether you buy from us or not, fine. You are a winner watching this video. Click below, subscribe, and read the full corporate offer properly. Why you want to buy gold? Your business would not function if there is no supply. So therefore, you need to have a capital. You need to have a certain capital, a standby fund in your bank account when you purchase this precious mineral, because this is not for credit. Now, if you are a joker broker, get out on this business. You are going to fail because buyers are smart. They are using you to pretend that he is a buyer, but actually he is not a buyer. And he is going to tell you, yes, I am the buyer. But when you bring it to me, I'm going to interview you and your buyer. Then your buyer say, I have a lot of buyer. That is not a buyer. He's another joker broker. Yes, because if you come, if you found this video, if you come for conference with me, I'm going to ask you, how did you get my number? How long you been searching for gold? And you're going to tell me, well, Amina, I've been searching for gold for 1 year and 2 years and 6 months. Something wrong with you. Gold is not easy to mine. Gold will not be given to you unless you pay for it. The owner of the gold would not trust you. Even myself, I wouldn't trust you either. If you don't trust us, therefore, something wrong with you. What you have to do, Mr. Buyer, when you found this video on my YouTube channel, listen to this video. After you watch this video, my explanation, subscribe and click below, read the soft corporate offer. You don't need to ask, Wilhelmina, send me the soft corporate offer. You are not paying attention. You are not. You are just time waster. If I am a buyer's agent today, I will read. And I would be thankful to Wilhelmina that Wilhelmina lay out everything, what necessary requirement that the buyer would comply. Now, Mr. Buyer, you're talking to Wilhelmina. If you found this video, Mr. Buyer, show us your business registration. You don't need to be scared with Wilhelmina. Show us your importation license. Show us your passport copy. Show us the proof of fund that you have available fund $1 million out of 10 kilos or 20 kilos. Now, Wilhelmina will review that. Because you come to Wilhelmina to chat. And when you chat, I want to click the video because I want to see you on camera. Because I am going to require you to submit your credential. Now, because I'm going to evaluate your credential while we are dealing with a video call conference, if you are in Dubai, download Botim because WhatsApp is not allowed. So Botim, you call. After you read this video, after you click and read the full corporate offer, if you are on my platform on Facebook, there is a picture, I explain it. Picture to picture, there's a saying, a picture paints 1,000 words. You digest it properly. When my seller hired me, my seller didn't educate me. I was the one educating both parties. I was the one educating the seller why the seller failed and why the buyer failed. I know the answer. You are cutting corner. Now, when I sit down with the seller, he hired me to handle sales and marketing on their behalf. Now, I am your business facilitator. Now, my services is not for free. It's not. When you go to your solicitor or lawyer, you need to be charged their consultation fee. I went to my lawyer just only to make a phone calls. They send me an invoice of 1,500. Just only talking to the phone. Asking information as if what is my right, and you're watching me. I've given you free information already worth $1 million, not a worth $1,500. I was being charged $1,500 just to talk to the lawyer. That is not for free. Now we are now on a modern technology. I was the one who introduced this. So you're a winner, Mr. Potential Buyer, finding this video. Now, you're gonna say, well, Amina, what is the price? Our selling price, LBMA. Now, you are not buying refined. Refined means it's already gold bullion, belong to the owner, belong to the central bank. They purchase gold, they travel to Africa, they purchase raw materials, and then take out of the country and then refine it into gold bullion, refine it to make into $1, $2, refine it to make into jewelry. So gold has many uses. Who is the buyer of this precious mineral? Central bank, refinery, gold jewelry manufacturer. So this gold jewelry manufacturer, they are buying bulk, and you are a gold trader, a small gold trader, buying a small quantity. If you have cash, yes, you can buy this small quantity. We are flexible. Wilhelmina is flexible. Wilhelmina will listen to your needs. Now you're going to say, Wilhelmina, what is the price? Well, I cannot give you the price because the price of gold, it fluctuates. It changes every day, high and low. Now, because you are talking to Wilhelmina right now, you're watching my video. Today is Wednesday, May 13. The price of gold was 4,715.24 per ounce. Use your calculator. I am helping you right now. I'm using my calculator. Now 4,715.24. Okay? Times 32.15 in dollars term. This is the price. Okay? Now this is the price of refined gold. Now, because you're buying unrefined, we give you less 7%. Okay. Less 7%. I'm helping you here. I'm not supposed to help you, but I love to help everyone. Less 7%. This is your profit. This is your profit. Okay? So, per kilo, this is your profit. When you resell it to your own customer. Now, 100, I'll back again. 4,715.24 less 5%, hang on, 4,715.24 less 7%. Our selling price more than 7%, which is 151,062. More than 7%. If you come to Wilhelmina, Wilhelmina is very flexible. Now, don't wait for too long, because end of this year, the gold will bounce back to 5,200 per ounce. Now, end of this year, the predictions of Kitco is there would be a bounce back, that the price the end of this year could be 5,200 times 32.15. This could be end of this year. But don't bank on it, because this is only a prediction. Now, I've been watching Kitco. I am sharing you the right information so that when you're ready, you are well prepared. I'm not giving you an AI. This is real. I've been watching and reading on Kitco what is the movement of gold. So this is the price at the end of the day. So don't bank on it, because I am not giving you a miracle. I am giving you an information in advance before it happened. This is 167 at the end of this year. Now, when you go on my platform on Facebook, read the message on every picture. There is a saying, a picture paints 1,000 words. Register that into your brain. This is for your own benefit. When the seller hired Wilhelmina, the seller didn't educate me. That's the reason why the seller hired me, because I used to be on real estate. Buying and selling, you have to pay for it whether you like it or not. Now, I'm already retired from the real estate. I focus on gold. I help both parties. I help my seller to handle sales and marketing to the world. I am promoting Africa. Then you're going to say, well, Amina, I want to buy gold. No upfront. There is no upfront, my dear. Whether you like it or not, your business would not function, because you need to lay out a capital. Gold is cash business. I hope you understand, Mr. Baya. Now, I'm not here to beg you. You come to Wilhelmina because you need the supply. You don't need to beg, because once you beg, to me, you're a bigger. Gold is not for bigger. Gold is for real buyer. I know that you are a gold trader, a small gold trader to make money, but you need to think about it. You need to lay out the capital. Don't ask Wilhelmina, I want to buy gold. Bring it to the airport in Korea. Bring it gold to India in the airport. Bring the gold to Hong Kong in the airport. We will pay you after final assay. I think you're a criminal. You are. Because if I am the owner of my product, I would not give my product to you. I don't know you. You never know, you might run away with my product. It's very clear and simple. In this gold business, there are so many criminals. There are so many deceitful buyers. There are so many gold launderer and money launderer. So we want to do business. The instruction of my seller is like this. Wilhelmina, we trusted you. We hired you to market on our behalf. We've been losing gold because we were being deceived. There are so many thieves in this gold business. Correct. There are so many thieves. because they wanted to make profit in a wrong way. You will make profit, my dear, if you pay the gold. And if you have full export documentation or full import documentation that you are a licensee to import. Because when the gold arrive in your custom, they will ask your paperwork. Where is the export documentation from the seller? Where is the importation license from you as being a buyer? Where are all necessary requirements that you did pay the gold? And if you ask for CIF, then you are in trouble, because the seller or the government on Africa would not give full certificate that his gold, the owner of the gold, his gold is free of illegal activity. Be careful, because there are so many sellers issuing fake export documentation. You are going to be deceived. So Wilhelmina would not deceive you, but Wilhelmina will take you instead to Africa. I will determine which seller I'm going to take you. During our conversation, I'm going to ask you where the gold to be delivered. And if you are from Dubai, Conakry is more closer. Or Sierra Leone if you want Sierra Leone. Or if you want Mali, tons of gold. But don't hand carry the gold. Because once you hand carry the gold from Mali, you're gonna stop over in Ghana airport. Don't. Better ship it and insure it. So, I've been to Mali, I've been to Conakry, I've been to Sierra Leone. So, I only handle 3 countries. Sierra Leone, Mali, and Conakry. So, Wilhelmina will determine which seller I'm going to take you instead. Before I'm going to take you, I'm going to gather your vital information, such as copy of your business registration, importation license, passport copy, and the proof of fund, for me to believe that you are a buyer. If you cannot produce that, you are not a buyer. If you're scared to open your camera for interview, therefore, something wrong with you. Because I'm not scared, I'm here. This is my virtual office. I'm based in Brisbane. I don't have the gold. The gold is in Africa. I am going to take you after we exchange information. Once I validate your credential, you will receive the confirmation of your order. During our conversation, I'm going to ask you how much you need, how many quantity you want to start with. Is this short term or long term? So I'm going to ask you a really direct question. I'm just like an interrogator. I am going to interrogate you in order for me to find out whether you're real or not. On the spot, I can reject you. Have a nice day. If you cannot answer to my direct question, to me, you are not a buyer. So when I went to my lawyer, I have a problem, an issue, I have to lay out and let my lawyer hear what I want to say. Buying gold exactly the same. I am assisting you. I am helping you. There are so many fake buyers pretending to be a buyer. There was a buyer that I talked to Africa. 2024, 2025, we give him 60,000 per kilo during the time. And when I took him to Conakry, Guinea, he go behind my back. And then he ran away from me. Why you gonna run away from me? I am here. You're paying my extra service. And then he abandoned me. What a silly husband, the father and son. What a silly person. You don't need to run away. I am helping you. I am going to help you. I am going to find alternative. If the other seller reject you because you keep on bargain. You don't need to bargain. You sign a contract. You agree on it. Because you didn't tell us that you have limited finances. I am here to assist you, Mr. Buyer. You don't need to go behind my back. You are a loser if you go behind my back. Now, Mr. Buyer, When I travel with you, I am charging you my extra service. Just like when I call my lawyer, the lawyer charged me 1,500 half an hour. Now Wilhelmina is explaining to you, Wilhelmina is not charging you. Listen to this video properly, because you will gain knowledge out of this. Wilhelmina is very kind and generous. My information on this YouTube channel and on my platform on Facebook worth $1 million. I'm giving you information worth $1 million. But when I take you to Africa, it's no longer for free. I do charge my extra service to accompany you. If you cannot afford to pay my extra service, therefore you cannot afford to pay the gold. Then you're gonna say, oh, why should I pay extra service? You don't need to pay extra service if you don't like it. I can prepare a contract for you. Just send me your credential, and then I will submit that to my head office, and I'm going to determine which seller I'm going to take you. But when you travel yourself without me, and then there was an issue during the meeting, do not call Wilhelmina. Because I told you, African sellers are very hard to deal with. He can reject you when you are in their office, especially you keep on bargain. Now, while you are talking to Wilhelmina, while you're watching this video, I am going to tell you what necessary requirement you are going to prepare. Do not travel without invitation. You are going to fail. The purpose that you will be invited, you are exclusively guest of the seller. Now, Wilhelmina gonna be with you, and if you're not happy, then I will find alternative, but you need to coordinate with me. Now, my charge is not cheap, I'm telling you, to cover my airfare, my hotel accommodation, and spending money. If you cannot afford to pay this $1 million, therefore you cannot afford to pay my extra service. Get out on this business. You need to prepare, you need to lay out a capital in order to get this precious mineral. Now, I'm going to summarize, Mr. Baya. I think you've been watching my video to video, month by month. Now, I seldom upload my video because I'm watching the movement of the price of gold and diamond. Now, gold is more high demand at the moment because of geopolitical situation between Iran and Israel and United States. So gold is a tax haven. Gold is cash. There's a saying, I mentioned that many times. He who has the gold makes the rules. The government of Africa is making the rules. Not you. You follow the golden rules of Africa. Why? That property belong to them. Not belong to you. Not belong to Wilhelmina. I'm just a servant of the day. So, when you purchase the gold, I'm going to accompany you. Now, if you want to buy gold from Dubai to Conakry, use Air Cargo, Emirates Sky Cargo. They have an office in the airport. If you want Sierra Leone, PMT is the one who evaluate the gold. They will value the gold. And if you want to secure gold in Mali, there are 4 refineries in Mali. DNGM, Kankamusa, Russian refinery, and Marina. So the government, the owner, will only deal DNGM and Kankamusa. So you come to Wilhelmina, I will interview you. Do not ask Wilhelmina, send me soft corporate offer. You're not paying attention, really. You're not. The full corporate offer is on this video. Click below, subscribe. Time to time, you will notify. And I want you to click the link. Go to my platform on Facebook. I put everything. Picture, Conakry, Sierra Leone, Mali, available gold. Read the message on every picture. Do not pretend to be dumb because you are not dumb. You're a professional businessman. So do not use chain of joker broker because you are going to fail. There was a buyer, I think he knows me for 4 years, and he was been dealing with chain of joker broker. Now this joker broker says, well, Amina, I have a serious buyer. I said, okay. I want you to create a group chat. I want to interview that particular buyer. I don't want to mention his name. He's from Australia. He live in Dubai. So when we were having a group chat, and this guy said, well, Amina, I'm from Sydney. I know you. I said, really? But I don't know you. Oh, I've been watching your YouTube channel. Oh, right. So what can I do for you? Oh, well, Amina, we are the buyer. Oh, really? And how long you been searching for gold? Oh, there's so many scammer. Oh, really? We went to Africa. Oh, I see. So did you get the gold there? No, Wilhelmina. Why? Oh, they offered us undervalued. Oh, I can sense already. It's a red flag to me. I said, why you were being offered undervalued? You know that gold is taxable. So yes, it's true. And he went to South Africa. And he was been talking to a lot of fake offer. And he said that the selling price in South Africa is 7%. Correct. I told him, correct. And then he was being offered in Nairobi undervalue. I said, well, your eyes is bigger than a dollar. So I've given him a hint. I've been leading the conversation. He's an Australian. He's a very smart Australian from Sydney. And he said, Wilhelmina, we have a lot of buyers. Oh, really? So therefore, you are the supplier. You are a gold trader. Is that right? Say yes. Okay. So how much capacity you can afford? Oh, Wilhelmina, whatever available you have. I see. And I told him, okay, I need you to answer my question very bluntly. How much capacity that you have fund in your bank account? And before we're gonna proceed, I want you to show me certificate of money laundering that you have available cash in your bank account. Because when you transfer the payment from Dubai to Africa, you will be asked by your bank that why are you transferring $1 million in Africa? Because Africa is a red flag of gold laundering as well. Both buyers and sellers are cutting corner. Now the government is watching you, my dear, whoever you are watching on my video. So you need to apply money laundering certificate, whether you're gonna bring gold to Europe, whether you bring gold to Australia, whether you bring gold to Asia, whether you bring gold to Istanbul. You need to prepare this certificate of clearance that your money is not involved with money laundering. Because there are so many criminals using to purchase gold to launder the money. They are going to wash the money in order to secure gold. Does that make sense now, Mr. Buyer? Did the seller explain to you like this? No. Nobody explained to you like this except this lady based in Australia. Then you're gonna say, oh, I don't want to deal with Wilhelmina because Wilhelmina is very strict. Yes, correct. Do you want to be in jail? Just like this Indian from Dubai. He was been in jail. Just imagine that, carrying 1 kilo. Do you want to be in jail? You want to be arrested on the way to the airport? Don't. I am advising you in a proper way. But my services is not for free. I'm charging you my services. Then you're gonna ask, well, Amina, how much you charge? If I'll mention that now, you might fall over on your chair. I want you to listen to this video, read the full corporate offer. If you think you are qualified, you come for conference with Wilhelmina. Wilhelmina is not forcing you to buy from us. I am educating so that you will not trap into disaster. Few nights ago, I received urgent message from my head office. Wilhelmina, we have the buyer. I want you to talk to this buyer. He is from Byron Bay, again from Australia. I said, okay. Wilhelmina, he is buying gold. He's going to bring gold to Dubai. Oh, really? So that was 2 o'clock in the morning today. So I listened to the voice of my head office. So I told my head office, I want the number of this guy. I want to interview this guy. So he is also in Dubai because Dubai is a transit. Dubai is a hub. Because when you bring gold to Australia, the importation tax is 10% GST. Mhm. That's normal. Everybody has to pay GST, government sales tax. That is normal. You can claim that at the end of the year. But these two Australian, they're scared. Why are you scared for? You make a profit, you pay for the tax, you declare that. So they open a company in Dubai because Dubai is a tax haven. So while I interviewed this another Australian, didn't meet the criteria. He didn't meet the criteria, and I assume that these buyers, fake buyers from Australia, based in in Dubai, he registered his company. Is running out of cash. He's going to leverage it. He's going to get the real buyer, pretending he is a buyer. I know Dubai. I've been to Dubai many times. I interview a lot. I even interviewed the owner of the shop in Gold Sock. He's a small trader. And then he sent the money to Nairobi and the gold didn't come. I told him, you should not. You should travel. You should. You have to build your credibility. You have to establish your business relationship to the owner. You cannot just sit down in Gold Sock shop. I told this Gold Sock shop. I have the video. And I told him, deal with Wilhelmina. Come with me while I'm in Dubai. I can vouch you to get the 5 kilos. You can hand carry, but be prepared to pay cash. Now, Mr. Buyer, nowadays, you can buy anything online through advertisement or Facebook. Now, I am advertising that Africa is the main source of supply, precious mineral coming from Africa. Now, there are 2 ways you're gonna pay bank to bank, either USDT or bank to bank based on the contract. We will not ask you money. We will gather your your paperwork. We'll put that on the contract. We will send it to you and you review that. You will receive the seller's mining license, export license, and the seller did pay the government's sales tax a year. So if you found that, meaning to say the seller is real. If you cannot see that export documentation from the main owner of the gold, something wrong with that seller. Does that make sense, Mr. Baya? Now, Mr. Baya, don't be afraid with Wilhelmina. Come and talk to Wilhelmina. Be upfront. Be honest. Don't hide your face, because a minute that you hide your face to me, you are not a buyer. You're just a joker. This is not for you. If you're joking, there are so many joker broker, thousands of them online. They failed. Mr. Buyer, you don't need to use chain of joker broker. You have the phone, you have a Wi-Fi, you are now on the internet. You can buy. Instead, we give you a very good price. Okay, Mr. Buyer, I am here to negotiate on your behalf. Does that make sense, Mr. Buyer? Now, Mr. Buyer, the price of gold, it fluctuates. Come and talk to Wilhelmina. We will discuss then how many discount you will get. I'm very considerate. I am here with you to renegotiate. What is the cause of the country fail? Just like Iran and United States. Why they cannot go along? Something wrong with that? Mr. Buyer, I am your negotiator. I am on the middle. I'm with you and also I'm with the seller. I have the power to renegotiate the price for you. I have the power also to reject you. And I have the power to say to the seller, I have validated this buyer. Let's give this buyer a fair price. Does that make sense now, Mr. Buyer? I think so. So I think I have been explaining to you. Once again, listen to this video. It doesn't matter if this video is too long. Don't run away. Listen properly. After you watch this video, take time to click below, read the full corporate offer. If you're not satisfied, click the link and go on my platform on Facebook. You can see all necessary picture that you want. We don't send picture no more in your name because you are going to solicit a buyer. What you see on my platform on Facebook, what you get. Is that make sense now, Mr. Buyer? I think I have been explaining step by step from video to video. If you are not really paying attention to me, you're not a buyer. What a waste of time. You are running around and at the end of the day, you don't have cash flow to offer. We can offer you the supply, but can you offer how much you can afford to pay? Because we don't give for nothing. Gold is not for free. I repeat, Mr. Buyer, he who has the gold makes the rules. The government is making the rules, not me. I'm just abiding the rules of the government. The instructions of the seller, Wilhelmina, interview the buyer properly. Once you validated, you submit all the credentials of the buyer, we will send the buyer an invitation, landing visa to be our company guest. That is fair. That is kind of professionalism. But if you just dealing with so many fake offer, guaranteed you are going to fail. 100% guaranteed. Mr. Buyer, I have been encounter a lot of failure from 2011. I was being screwed by a Mexican. I've been screwed by the buyer as well. Now I learn it. I share it with you so that you would not experience what I have experienced. There's a saying, you will learn when you have a bad experience. I am sharing you my bad experience so that you will not encounter disaster at the end of the day. I'm a woman, I travel to Africa, I don't have any security guard. Why? Because I work for the seller, and once I'm gonna be with you, you are safe. Thank you very much. Have a nice morning. When you wake up, then you watch this video. I know you're searching via YouTube. YouTube is the best site, I'm telling you, and also on Facebook. I purchase a lot of product on Facebook. I don't go to the shopping center anymore. I just buy what necessary we need in the house via Facebook. I click it. I give my Visa card. The product would arrive in 14 days. I pay upfront. I don't have any complaint. Buying gold exactly the same. You have to pay for it whether you like it or not. I think I already explained it to everyone. Once again, click below, subscribe, or you go to my platform on Facebook. You will see everything.